Hey campers, how's it going? We've got a NXG BAL through frame slide system. It's for our 2020 Venture Stratus. The BAL slide system, they've been putting on quite a few RVs these days. And actually they're a pretty good slide system, except for the ones where you see the cable driven. It's really those cable driven slides that kind of gets the bad rap. So that's not what I have on here. So what I've got is the through frame, and I'm gonna show you that in just a second. But the issue we were having was something we really were dealing with ever since we bought the RV, and it was when you put the slide system in or out, it would make a jarring clicking sound. It was pretty violent and it would shake the RV. I couldn't find anything on the internet, I couldn't find anything on YouTube. And so I reached out to NXG, who is the manufacturer of the BAL slide system, and they were actually really good with support, which took me by surprise. And the kind of lubricant they told me was a dry lube wax-based lubricant, which also surprised me because it's different than what I've been told in the past. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what we were dealing with. All right, so here we are outside taking a look at the slide system. This is very common through frame slide system. This one is made by BAL, as we talked about. Here is the top of the slide system. So what you want to do is you fully extend the slide system just like we see here. You've got a slide here and a slide there. They're both the same except for the other one has the piston on the end. But here is the top of the slide. So what you want to do is you want to clean this off fully. So get yourself some rags to clean this off thoroughly. After you have cleaned this off, you want to apply the lube directly to the top of this slide system here. And make sure you get this really good. Again, that's the wax-based lubricant we talked about, the DuPont. And you also want to get it right here on this nylon block. And I sprayed right inside here as well. After you spray this down, you want to run your slide system in and out several times. After I followed the procedures and ran the slide in and out, since then I've left the slide in for a week, and I've ran it in and out several times, been on a trip since then, and I've still yet to have the slide system malfunction or make the sound and vibrate the whole RV. So here's what we have now, just a normal slide system, what it should sound like. So we're gonna run the slide system in. It's out right now. I can't run it all the way in because my wife left the sweeper there. But this is what we have now, what it should sound like. The squeaking is just from the rubber seals squeaking against the sidewalls of the slide. I hope this video helps somebody else out. If you've got an NXG BAL slide system and you've got the same sort of sound that we had, the jarring and vibration, I would recommend, even if you don't have that issue, to pick up some of this wax-based lubricant spray like we did and just consider it part of your maintenance for this slide system. Really appreciate you stopping by to watch these videos. See you next time. Bye.